bought this 14, see if I could pull me by 7 grams off the hoe.
We gon' stand like comedy. I'ma no puff my blower spray.
I'm standing over the stove, my with this to my wrist lock. I'm in New York with toes, fuck it, I call them TikTok. I do my shit, that's on my Z, I'ma make my blip pop. Hop out with sticks and golden bean, I call it hip hop. These hoes ain't shit, they for the street, they love the dick hop.
She suck that dick so long, I make that little hoe look lock. I'm with her IG model, Zula making TikTok. I'm with Louise, and while you playing, you get bit off.
What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please give me a subscribe. It is also my birthday, so I definitely need to subscribe for that. Today, y'all, we're gonna be installing my diffuser. I wrapped the like little edges pieces pink. I'm actually really fucking nervous of how this is gonna turn out, but I already spent the money on it, so we're gonna have to install it anyways. I've watched like 2 YouTube videos on how to install it, so fingers crossed. Like I said, please give me a like and subscribe, please, please, please. I think I deserve it. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, all that. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the diffuser now. That's what it came with. It's pretty boring. But we better switch that up though with that one. Oh, I'm excited. Like I said, if you didn't watch my last video, please go watch it. Well, not the last one, but the one where I did my bumper bars. They were like, it's basically the same process. This time, I do have tools. And they were like, it's 4 little things that just pop out. So it's 2 on this side and 2 on this side. So I'm about to pop those out right now. I am fucking struggling. Y'all, I had to put my damn hair up and take a break because I started sweating. These little things right here are not coming off. They so hot for this. Okay. 2 down, 2 more to go. That took so long. I had to pause the video because I had to pause the video because I really started stressing the fuck out. We got it though, so we good. They say that when you take out all them pieces, it's supposed to just pop off easily. So we gonna see, cause you know every time you watch a video, they make it look easy, but in real life, it's never really that easy. God. Did. Oh my god. Yes. We about to put the cute one on now. Hold on. Oh my god. That was the hardest shit I've ever fucking done. Okay, it's on now. It's 30, but I do have to clip all the little 4 pieces back in. Oh my god, I'm never doing this shit again. Ever, 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 ever. Never doing this bullshit again, please. Maybe if I got paid like 200, I'll do it. We are finally done with that freaking install. That shit took me like 2 hours, I'm not gonna lie. But I did keep taking breaks just because it's hot outside. But this is what it looks like. I do think it's cute. It was worth it, worth all the sweat. Maybe from this angle. I feel like my car is coming along very nicely with the little pink accents. I do have a wrap coming very soon. I plan on wrapping it myself. Y'all see how bad I struggled just installing a diffuser. I already know I'm gonna struggle like hell doing a wrap, but I don't wanna do like a full wrap, just like a half and half type of thing. I need to lay my ass down. I do think it's cute though. So wrap and a wicker bill. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Give me some recommendations on what y'all think I should do next. Please don't give me no hard ass shit to do because I need to lay my ass down. Thank y'all for watching. Support the build, please. Follow me on Instagram, also on TikTok. Solanalovee with 2 E's.